Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day. Bakit? Kasi andito kami ngayon sa Hyundai Alabang. I got invited to their Vloggers Day today, November 23. Nakarating ako actually mag-aalas 5 na Pero maraming salamat Hyundai Alabang sa pag-imbita. It's called the HAMS 2023 or HAMS 23, and today is Vloggers Day event. It's the Hyundai Alabang Mobility Show, and today we had a chance to talk to some agents at nagkaroon din ako ng chance na makausap yung kanilang sales manager na si Miss Jen Malabuyok to tell us what's happening here. So, ayan, pakinggan po natin, panoorin po ninyo ang aking mini interview sa kanya. So, watch this. Okay, so we're already inside Hyundai Alabang, and I'm really glad that I've been given a chance to be invited and see firsthand. Kasi parang ngayon pa lang ako nakakita ng mga bagong units dito. And I was informed that today daw is Vloggers Day. Right now, I have with me si Miss Jennifer. She is the sales manager for Hyundai Alabang. Miss Jen, can you tell us what's happening here today?
So today, after the pandemic, finally, we're moving towards the new normal. So after po ilang years, ito po ulit yung first namin na major event dito sa showroom, which is Hyundai Alabang Mobility Show. So I believe ito po ma'am yung first time that we did this, and we're looking forward to making this an annual event para sa customers namin. So each day, we've dedicated parang certain highlights para po dun sa event natin. First day, November 21, nag-open po tayo a series of Facebook Live with may mga cash prize po kami pinamigay doon. Sana may nanalo po dun sa mga nanood din sa inyo. So the second day naman, yesterday, meron naman po tayong mga Agents Day. So pagbibigay-pugay po namin sa mga ahente dahil lingid po sa kaalaman ng marami, mahirap po ang profesyon ng pagiging ahente.
Oo naman, kailangan ng pasensya.
Yes. So we've invited po even different brands po. We've invited them to our showroom. Open house tayo kahapon. And we are very thankful also para doon po sa mga kinakapatid natin na nabigyan tayo ng oras kahapon to attend. So finally today, ito naman po yung Vloggers Day natin. And inopen ulit natin yung showroom natin for the vloggers to see and feature firsthand yung mga units namin na we are very proud of, na finally po meron na tayong mga 7-seater such as Castin. Ito po, siya yung pinaka-highlight nung event natin.
Castin.
We can proudly say that whatever is the specifications po do sa international market that they're seeing, very close na po yung dumadating dito sa Philippines. If there's a few changes, siguro po, with regards na lang sa mga heater kasi hindi naman kailangan sa tropical climate. Pero the rest, quality. Aside po doon, meron din tayo dito na Ioniq 5. Ito kasi ma'am, nagpa-pilot syempre si Hyundai ng mga electric vehicles here in the Philippines as well. So when they purchase this, it comes with charging ports para mawala yung hesitations po ng market natin na paano magcha-charge. So to address that, there are very strategic locations po ng Hyundai na meron ng charger. Tulad po dito sa Hyundai Alabang, meron na tayong charger dito. And also, meron na rin pong ma-install sa residence nila. We're also hoping for the market's acceptance kasi towards a greener future naman for everybody.
Today is Vloggers Day, sabi nyo, Miss Jen, Kailan naman yung Customers Day?
Customers Day natin is on Sunday. Tapos, tomorrow naman po, Friday, Bankers Day. Isa naman po dun sa mga bangko na sumusuport din sa atin ng mga customers loans and yung mga branches natin around the area para ma-witness din nila kung ano yung mga binibili ngayon ng mga customers sa atin.
Ms. Jen, thank you for that very brief introduction of what's happening here today for the Vloggers Day. Would you like to invite again our subscribers, subscribers and viewers ni Mami Bea sa channel ko na to come tomorrow for the
Opo, opo.
Bankers Day, kung bankers sila,
Yes.
and for the Customers Day.
Opo. Actually, meron pa po tayong Bankers Day para po sa mga viewers nyo, ma'am, na mga banker. Kahit po hindi within the area, they're welcome here. They'll also be entitled po dun sa raffle prizes natin. Meron tayong bike, may cash prize, may mga items pa po. And on Saturday, para naman po dun sa mga existing natin na Hyundai owners, yeah, it's time to, 'di ba, upgrade. So, they're welcome here. Meron po tayong mga car clubs day. And sa Sunday naman po, para po sa pinakamamahal naming mga customers. And for those who are looking into buying Hyundai.
That's the bike that I won. Nanalo ako ng red bike. Actually, I chose the red na bike. Ayan, panibagong life update na naman po sa inyo. Kahit naka-Suzuki ako, inimbitahan pa rin nila ako. Maraming salamat Hyundai Alabang. Pero sa totoo lang ha, ang ganda nung kanilang Stargazer. And I am really hoping na mapaunlakan nila ako para ma-review ko yung kanilang Hyundai Stargazer. So para po doon sa mga walang gagawin ngayong weekend, until November 26, that's Sunday, ayan, pwede po kayong pumunta sa Hyundai Alabang for the HAMS 23. That's the Hyundai Alabang Mobility Show. Hanggang Sunday po yan, pwede po kayong mag-test drive, pwede po kayong mag-inquire, lalong-lalo na kung gusto nyo nang mag-upgrade ng bagong sasakyan. Ayan, napakarami nilang bagong units, bagong automobile. So, see for yourself, test drive, inquire, upuan nyo, i-feel po ninyo, para makita po ninyo yung mga bagong units or mga bagong auto ng Hyundai. Meron silang bago yung kanilang Ioniq 5 na hindi siya hybrid. Ang sabi nila, it's full electric vehicle. So, ayun. Meron akong konting interview tungkol sa Ioniq 5 na yon. I-update ko kayo about that kasi nakausap ko yung isang ahente nila. Part 1 pa lang to. So, thank you again for watching and for supporting my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified pagka may bago po akong upload and live update. Mami Bea po, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching.